Hey guys. So Hyperliquid has been pumping lately, which is incredible news. We've been in a bear for far too long, and hopefully that produces a bullish summer for all of us. Now, to not miss out on some of the opportunities that are happening on Hyperliquid, or if maybe you're not as familiar with the Hyperliquid platform and you want to set something up that allows you to long, short, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever it may be, in a simple, seamless, deterministic way where it continuously happens as news come out about X, Y, or Z, or you're just looking to copy trade a specific wallet or trader on Hyperliquid, you can do that from within B3OS right now. So let's take a look at our template library so I can show you a few of the templates and run through setting one up right now. So in the template library, under the Hyperliquid tab, we can kind of see the templates that are currently live that you could run today. We add a new position a new template every single week. So today I want to show you the sweep dust into a leveraged long Bitcoin position. So in this template, to start using it, you just hit use template and you fill out the prerequisite configurations. So it's asking what wallet I want monitored and swept every 6 hours, 1 day, 3 days, whatever it may be for dust. Should there be dust in that wallet, it's going to convert it into USDC and then place a long of a specific size, whatever, like 5 through 10x, 100x on Hyperliquid. And we'll send you a notification thereafter once that happens, and it'll keep helping you monitor that position as you keep it open. So let's select our wallet. We are going to collect dust from within the Arbitrum ecosystem and any token, small amounts of tokens that we have as we play around with apps and products on Arb. So let's use our zero dev wallet here and notification channel. So whenever we actually swap some of that dust into USDC, send it to Hyperliquid, long Bitcoin, as those actions happen in that deterministic way within the node module, we will actually get a notification sent to a channel of your preference. So that could be Slack, that could be Telegram. I would actually prefer iMessages. iMessages has been really cool. Well, that's it. So iMessages have been selected. I can also see that my phone number is actually here. I'll have to blur that out as we publish this video later today. I don't think anybody needs my cell phone number in here. But from there, we specify how frequent the sweep should happen within that wallet in the Arbitrum ecosystem. I'm going to set every 12 hours and the leverage amount. So let's go 10x because we're feeling good about the summer. Bitcoin's going to pump. And the max dust value, so any amount of tokens over $100 is then going to get converted, swept into USDC, sent to Hyperliquid, and we're going to long Bitcoin. So let's say continue. This all looks good for me. Awesome. So the AI has built this deterministic execution layer for you with all the nodes in it that are going to run in a recurring way where we have loops. It's going to monitor, it's going to sweep those loops, it's going to swap those tokens, it's going to bridge them over to Hyperliquid. We're going to 10x leverage Bitcoin. And then at the very end here, we are going to get an iMessage. And this is going to run in a deterministic way. You don't have to worry about babying this flow. It's going to run exactly as it's set up here with no deviation outside of what's here. So to publish this and to set it to go live in real time and not kind of stop, it's just going to keep running in perpetuity unless you stop it, we hit publish. Awesome. So it's listening for live events. The next run, when this loop actually activates, up here we can see is going to happen in 9 hours because we set this to run every 12 hours and sweep my dust within my wallet. Thank you so much for tuning in. Excited to see you build out your own flows. You don't have to use the templates. You can go into Caddie AI and just prompt whatever you want and build out a flow yourself. Every single node is verified by our team, audited, secure, and safe. And so you don't have to worry about the way it's being built. If the nodes show up on the template, you know that you can trust this flow and you can execute on it. If Caddie or B3OS can't do something, you'll be notified of that too. Caddie will let you know that this is not a feature that we can support right now for XYZ reason. And so you can kind of adjust the flow from there by just prompting and chatting with Caddie or run a completely different flow. So excited for you to try all the Hyperliquid flows and more. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.